That was really weird. There was still pins knocked over there. They were just sitting there.
Terrence for the strike. Oh!
Ninja skill!
Strike. There's a slow ball up there. Do you see that, guys? Look at that. Look how slow that's going. TV. Oh my gosh. Finally. No one eats his fries. Yeah.
Come on, you can do this well. Let's do this.
Payton for the spare. Terrence for the spare. No. Payton for the win. Come on, Terrence, you got this. Come on, Terrence. Terrence, you got this. For the win, for the win.
Come on, let's do this.
Oh.
FTW for the win. Oh! It should have been.
Hey YouTube, this is Will Slog number 3. I'll come up with a name later. So guys, I am here to advertise something now. Advertise time. Okay guys, I need to tell you something. This is Snickers. It is a parody of sneakers. So, don't buy Snickers because they're a parody of Snickers. Yeah, and this is the Three Musketeers. It has people in it. Three Musketeers, those are people. And now for the headphone 100 million. You can buy it whenever you go to the store and jump over a bouncy ball, which fell on the floor next to you because there's a little kid up on the ceiling that hates you. And now time for So You Think You Got Swag? I think I got swag because I am me and, I got swag.
Well, I think I got swag because, this happens.
No, guys, pick a candy bar.
Musketeer.
Snicker. Now, let's see who wins. This satisfies the Snicker. Therefore, this one, round 2. But no, guys, they're gonna do a body slam. Ow, that must have hurt. Coming back. It's almost split in half, but he's coming back. It's hard to tell, but the Three Musketeers wins. Now time for special cookie time. These guys decide to make up and split in half and then become a cookie. Now that they finally met each other outside their bar, they will smash together and form the ultimate cookie bar, the X bar. So there you have it, folks. That's how you make a KX bar.
And that is how you make a cookie bar.
New from Lego Donkey Industries is the new Power 500 Happy Bird. It comes in 4 different colors: cherry, raspberry, red, and bird red.
I want that!
Well, little boy, you can have your very own Power 500 Happy Bird for only $575.29 plus shipping and handling.
Wow, what a good deal!
Just take my money already!
Okay, I will! The Power 500 Happy Bird. Order yours today. I still have my money.
I want a refund!
What about me? I want one.
So order today.
So, hello, what's up?
I found a drum.
That's a guitar.
Oh. How do you play?
Here.
I think I know.
She's you play. Would you like to try?
How do you play?
So let's see how you can play.
Is this how you play?
Dude, you got it stuck in the guitar. No! What are you doing?
Oh, I know how to play.
Hey, you're ruining my guitar. Stop it.
Is this how you play?
Idiot.
I know how you play.
What are you doing?
This is how you play guitar. Is this how you play? Abracadabra.
Whoa.
Is that how you play?
No, you idiot. I had an acoustic. Now you turned it into a fake electric.
Can I try?
Really? You suck at this.
I found the other one.
So, Santa Claus, what do you think Justin Bieber is?
Oh, well, the Justin Bieber creature, well, he's quite a very nice ho ho ho.